In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shop members on Etsy. This is a fantastic way to keep your team organized and showcase the talent behind your creative business. Whether you're expanding or simply trying to give credit where it's due, adding shop members is a simple and straightforward process. Let's get started by logging into your Etsy account. Head over to Etsy's main page and enter your login details. Once you're in, keep your eyes on the top right corner where you will see the shop manager. Go ahead and click on it. This is your central hub for all shop operations, and it's where we'll start our journey today. After clicking Shop Manager, look to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find various options that help you navigate through different settings of your shop. For our task today, you'll want to find and click on Settings. This will open up more specific options related to your shop's configuration. Moving along, you'll need to find the section titled About Your Shop. Selecting this option gives you a place to fill out details that help personalize your storefront and make it resonate with your brand's identity. In the About Your Shop section, navigate to the Shop Members tab. This tab is the core of today's task, as it lets you manage the individuals playing a key role in your shop. Click on Add a Shop Member because now it's time to bring on board the talented folks who make your Etsy shop exceptional. Here, you'll fill in a few pieces of information to properly introduce them to your customers. Start with the name field. This could be a first name or a nickname, something that feels right for your shop's vibe and the personality of the team member you're adding. Next, you'll select their role, whether this person is the owner, designer, maker, photographer, or plays another integral role. A clear designation will give your customers better clarity about who's who within your business. For a more personal touch, take a moment to fill out the bio section as well. Although optional, a brief description of what this person does paints a clearer picture of their contribution to your shop. Tell your buyers what makes them special and why they're a valued part of your creative team. You also have the option to upload a photo. Adding a picture personalizes the experience and introduces buyers to the faces behind the art. Photos make everything feel a bit more authentic and inviting, doesn't it? Lastly, and very importantly, make sure you click Save. This step ensures all your hard work in adding these details is preserved and will be displayed to your shop visitors. This process not only organizes your team, but also enhances the buyer's experience by giving them insight into the real people crafting the items they're about to purchase. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough to enrich your Etsy shop by adding members who contribute to its success.